the top 5 best clothes drying racks recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Amazon Basics Folding Laundry Rack. Efficient folding laundry rack air dries clothing, saving energy and protecting delicates. Measures 14.5 x 29.5 x 41.75 inches. LXWXH supports up to 32 pounds. Accordion-style rack folds flat for compact storage. Durable, lightweight drying rack is easy to move from room to room. Waterproof, powder-coated, steel stain, and rust-resistant. For indoor use, set up in a laundry room, bathroom, bedroom, or closet. Recommendation number 2. Honeycomb 2 Heavy-Duty Going Drying Rack. You can master more on your chore board with this heavy-duty going clothes drying rack. Its 46 linear feet of drying area includes hanging space, a mesh shelf with sweaters, and a shoe rack that keeps your kicks in shape while drying. It's the best drying rack for protecting perfect pairs of blue jeans, delicate lingerie, or vintage pieces from wear and tear of a dryer cycle, all while saving on energy costs. When you're not using it, this portable drying rack neatly folds down to 3 flat for easy storage inside your laundry room, bedroom, or at your mom's house. Recommendation number 3. Homemade Clothes Drying Rack. Laundry rack portable clothes rack, lightweight and easy to drop into position for use. Cloth drying rack folds flat for storage. It comes fully assembled laundry drying rack designed for durability clothing racks. Clothes drying stand measures 14.1/2 by 29.1/2 by 41 3/4 inches. Also available in chrome. Clothes rack cloth drying stand fold-up clothes drying rack to save energy and help clothes last longer. Buy your clothes dryer rack today. Recommendation number 4. SONGMICS Clothes Drying Rack. This laundry rack has 33 drying poles on 2 levels with 27 sock clips. In addition, the upper wings can be adjusted in height so that you can also hang long garments. This laundry stand also features the time-tested folding mechanism so that you can stow it in the corner of your washing cellar to save space when not in use. Transport from the cellar to the terrace is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The stainless steel frame offers high stability and long service life for this drying rack. Even better, stainless steel is rust-resistant, so you can also hang dripping wet clothes on it. Recommendation number 5. BIGZZIA Clothes Drying Rack Folding Clothes. The 3-tier clothes drying rack has large drying space, perfect to meet different drying requirements outdoors and indoors. It's multifunctional, that not only a clothes dryer but also a storage tool. Foldable to save more space, adjustable to reassemble according to different requirements, be moved easily with 4 wheels. 2 expandable hanger holders on the top can hang long style clothes. 6 retractable trays. 4 heavy-duty caster wheels. 2 side wings.